Hello, everybody. It is the Naughty Investor here. So, everyone online wants to make passive income. It's become a very trendy word, and many people who are involved in cryptocurrency want to make passive income because they have an entrepreneur's mindset. There are a ton of legitimate ways to make passive income with cryptocurrency that are actually pretty easy to do even if you're a beginner, okay? So I'm gonna run through the list, but before we start that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video. That way the YouTube algorithm actually promotes the video and pushes it further in the algorithm. So once again, hit that like button, subscribe, and now let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so the first way to make passive income with cryptocurrency is by owning dividend paying cryptocurrencies or tokens or coins, okay? There are a number of these coins out there that actually will give you a dividend for holding it, okay? One of the biggest ones is KuCoin token, all right? Now what KuCoin token is, it used to be called KuCoin shares, but I think they changed the name for a variety of reasons. You could own this token in KuCoin exchange. KuCoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, and I think it's every week, you would get a payout of a part of the fees that exchange made. So of course, cryptocurrency exchanges, they make money mostly through trading fees. So KuCoin would gather up all the trading fees and distribute a certain percentage of that to the owners of KuCoin shares, okay? Now, you're not gonna make a ton unless you own a ton, so that is one of the drawbacks of this, but if you actually already believe in KuCoin token anyways, and you're like, hey, I wanna own this crypto anyways, you could earn dividends every single week just by owning this coin, okay? Now, another coin that does something similar, only it's not backed by an exchange, is Hoj Finance. Now, the way Hoj Finance works is pretty interesting. They have a 2% transaction fee for all Hoj transactions, right? Half of that gets burned. It gets sent to a dead wallet address. The other half of it gets distributed to Hoj Finance owners, okay? So the owners of anyone who has at least one Hoj Finance gets a piece of that. Now, of course, just like with KuCoin shares, the more you own, the more you get in the form of those dividends, if you want to call them that. So if you own a ton of Hoj, you're going to be able to make a ton of free cryptocurrency, a ton of Hoj Finance distributed to you every day at no cost to you, okay? Now, you could hold that, you could sell it, you could do whatever you want with it. If you believe in the future of this cryptocurrency, logically, you'd want to hold it for the long term because it's still a fairly new cryptocurrency. I personally own some Hoj Finance, and I plan on holding it for a long time because I think this is going to be one of the big meme coins out there. But yeah, regardless, those are two examples of dividend-paying cryptocurrencies. Now, the next way that you can make money with cryptocurrency is staking. With energy concerns and environmental concerns, many cryptocurrencies are switching from proof of work to proof of stake, okay? Now, proof of stake is a little bit different than proof of work where there's no active mining. Instead, what you're doing is essentially, to simplify it, you're locking away your cryptocurrency for a set number of time where you can't sell it, you can't trade it, you're locking it away and you're earning interest on it. But by doing that, you're actually becoming a validator on the network. So the way it works with Ethereum is you would have to join a staking pool or use Coinbase's staking pool that pays you about 6% a year, okay? So it's pretty simple. If you own some Ethereum, you get on Coinbase, you sign up on Coinbase. If you're not already signed up to Coinbase, by the way, I have a link in the description where you can get a bonus for sign up. So if you're not signed up for Coinbase, but you want to sign up for Coinbase, click that link in the description, you get a bonus. But back to what I was saying, on Coinbase, you sign up on their waiting list for Ethereum 2.0. I think the waiting list is actually over. I think it's open to everyone now. And it'll give you the option to stake your Ethereum. It'll say, do you want to stake your Ethereum? And you go over it and do that. And basically, it locks it away for, I believe it's at least 1 year. So you can't touch that Ethereum for a year, but you earn at least 6% APR on it. So 6% interest. So it's not a ton of money, but if you're someone who is hodling for the long term anyways, and you're not trying to actively be a trader in cryptocurrency, you want to be an investor, this is a great way to bolster your holdings. This is a great way to earn a free 6% just by saying, hey, I'm not going to sell this, which you might not have done anyway. So that is a great way if you're a diamond-handed investor who's not going to sell. That's a great way to earn passive income just by owning Ethereum or other proof of stake cryptocurrencies. Alright guys, so the last way on my video, on my list of ways to make passive income with cryptocurrency is through earning interest. This is different than staking because you're not necessarily staking anything. It is a little bit different because Bitcoin is not proof of stake, but you could earn interest with Bitcoin through BlockFi. Now, there's a number of companies out there like this, Cellulus, I believe is another one, that will basically pay you interest on your cryptocurrency. And they do this because they loan out. They also offer collateralized loans through cryptocurrency. That's another product that they offer. So you could see here on the calculator, let's say theoretically you owned 1 Bitcoin, right? You say you have 1 Bitcoin, you lucked out, you got in at $1,000, couple $1,000, you have 1 Bitcoin theoretically. If you were to if you were to keep this in your BlockFi interest account, BIA, right here, BlockFi interest account, you could earn about $7,000 paid over 7 years, or about $1,300 a year. So $1,300 a year, not bad for owning 1 Bitcoin. Now, let's say you wanted to do Litecoin. Of course, it's going to be a little bit different because Litecoin over here, because Litecoin is a different price, right? So let's say you own, I don't know, 100 Litecoin, right? You could earn about $1,100 per year in interest just by holding it in your BlockFi interest account. This is similar to staking, but it's not necessarily staking because you're not necessarily becoming a validator on the network, okay? So there's 3 ways you could earn passive income with cryptocurrency. 1, owning actual dividend-paying cryptocurrencies, okay? KuCoin token, Hosh Finance are 2 good examples of that. Number 2 is by staking and becoming an actual validator on the Ethereum network or on whatever proof of stake crypto you're talking about. Ethereum happens to be one of my favorites. Or 3, by simply holding your cryptocurrency in a BlockFi or another company's interest account. Okay, that's 3 ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. Are you going to get rich off it? Probably not, unless you already are rich, but it is a great way to bring in a little bit of extra income. Maybe you reinvest that, maybe you take that and you go on a vacation with it. Whatever you want to do, you can make some passive income with cryptocurrency, and it's not that difficult, even if you're a beginner. Once again, please guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video if it helped you at all. I really appreciate it. It helps push it in the YouTube algorithm, and I hope you all have a really, really great day. I will catch you next time, and keep on hodling.